Today is a vlog day and we are on our way to the gym. So come along with me and let's work out. I am done for today. We're gonna keep working at it until we get the results we want to see. I'm feeling better. My body's feeling better, so that's a plus. So don't watch the scale. The weight will eventually come off, y'all. You just gotta be patient. I think I'm gonna definitely invest in maybe having a trainer for a month, just to see if that helps me. So next time I come to the gym, I'm going to inquire about getting a trainer, maybe twice a week, to help me. So that is the goal. But yeah, guys, I'm heading back to the car, and I'm gonna head to Walmart to pick up 2 things for Levi and Jeremiah. I'll get back to you guys when I get home. Welcome to another video. So today is going to be a tour of our new place. A few videos ago, I think Odean told you guys that we were moving, so we finally settled on somewhere. So today I'm just gonna kind of show you guys around, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay guys, so we're just here cleaning up. You know how we like to do as Caribbean people.
Yeah, big up the man then.
So we got the place. So this is going to be pretty much the living room, dining room space. We have a little storage. This is where we'll have our stuff. Things that we're not using day to day, like Christmas trees and our winter jackets and stuff like that.
This looks like a space too.
Yeah, and there's this little.
This is inside the furnace.
This is the furnace room.
Yeah, we look at storage.
Which I don't care about that. That's the furnace room. Okay, so this is the kitchen. The only thing that I would say I don't really like, but I can live without, I guess, is cupboards. So you see how there's no like cupboards on the wall. You know, I would have appreciated some cupboards, but you know, it is what it is. It's not our final home. So this is our living room, dining room space, and we'll definitely come back and do like an organizational video like once we set up everything. So this is just what it will look like, or what it looks like empty. Okay, and then moving on, this is going to be Levi's room, and so I plan to do like a whole another video on decorating his room. So this is his space.
Alright, so first and foremost, like I inquired about this contraption. I was informed that nobody was doing any illicit activities. It's a structural pole, right? It wasn't put there for aesthetics or any acrobatics, so We're just gonna try and work around it.
Yeah.
In case those who were wondering.
I'm sure nobody was wondering, but thanks for the information. So this is gonna be Levi's closet.
I don't think you'll use it. He didn't have nothing to hang up.
No, most of his clothes will be folded up anyways, but yeah, it's nice to have.
Yeah.
But this is his space. I mean, it's a decent size, I think. And as I said, I plan to do a whole video on just setting up his room, making sure it's comfortable and kid-friendly. So stay tuned for that. So we have a 2-bedroom apartment, so
that's the main reason why we're moving to.
yeah, we just needed more space for our little family that's growing. So this is our bedroom, and our bedroom has 2 closets. So this is closet number 1. Okay, decent sized closet. And it has the sliding doors, as you can see. We also have another closet here. You guys can see it behind me. Extra space, so it's definitely good to have. Turn it around. Private little window.
Yeah.
I appreciate the brightness of the apartment. Like, I wish there was more natural light, but yeah, that's just how the place was built, so we kind of have to work with it. So this is also
like another side of the furnace,
which will probably use for storage.
Yeah, well, not too much to choke it, but yeah, you have a little space right here. So this is the other side to go into the other storage that we mentioned earlier.
But yeah, we also have the bathroom. So like, what I will also miss is our bathroom currently is a lot bigger than this current bathroom. But once again, I guess for more bedroom space, we had to just kind of make it work. So this is our bathroom. You know, basic.
I mean, it's not. It's smaller than the one that we have now.
Yeah, but it's pretty decent.
Yeah, could have worse, big woman thing.
Yeah, like apartment hunting in Ajax, Pickering. Apartment hunting in Durham can be a bit challenging. We've been to several places, and you'd be surprised at the conditions of some places people try to rent. Like, it's really crazy. Like, how dare you put this on the market?
They charge money for this.
You know what I'm saying? So this is one of the better ones. As I said, I have several videos in mind. I have been on Pinterest, I have been on YouTube. You guys know about the organizational videos, so I plan to do a whole setup. We don't have a pantry, but I'm gonna make the most of the space. So I guess a lot of my, home videos are going to be more or less how to make as much of the space that you have with what you have, right? So yeah, so this is our new space. So just in case you see videos and our background looks different and our space looks different, we are moving. We have, well, by Friday, we would have moved. Yeah, guys, so this is an empty apartment tour. I think we showed you guys everything. And we'll probably do a little moving day haul for you guys, or moving day vlog. We're gonna have some of our friends over, so that should be fun and interesting. Yeah, guys, so we want to thank you guys for watching. Until the next video.
Yeah, big up all my man them. Big up my mother and my father, and big up Good News Release Center, and big up everybody, big up.
Until next time, guys.